Hi, good morning. May buntag sa talan. So we're here again. We're packing our things because we're gonna catch flight this morning going to Boracay. Hello guys. Hello. We're now at the speedboat going to Boracay Island with this beautiful angel.
My name is Angel all the time.
So I think this is a 5 minutes ride going to the island, and later on we're gonna have some party.